Alright guys, I've got a Maytag Bravos XL HE washer. A lot of abbreviations, but essentially this is a high-powered washer. Does a really good job, king-size capacity. I've got it loaded down with jeans and towels right now, and it's just getting started on a power wash cycle. As you can see, plenty of options there to get your clothes clean. It's got the display with the timer. Lots of different options here. We're going to follow it as it goes through its cycle, so you can see it uses plenty of water, spins extremely fast, does a really good job of getting those clothes clean. And then once we're done, we're going to move over to the dryer and show you that the dryer also works good. You know, when you spend your money, you want to make sure what you're buying works. And that's the purpose of these videos. So I'm going to let you listen to it as it gets going, and we'll come back throughout that cycle. Okay, right now it's going through the wash portion. It has had several instances where it stops, fills up with more water, keeps going, stops, fills up with more water, and keeps going. So it's been washing it for a little while now. Imagine it's getting ready to kick over to the rinse cycle, but it's doing a really good job of getting those clothes clean. So we'll come back to it on the spin cycle so you can see it spinning full blast. And here it is finishing up the wash cycle, getting all the water out of the clothes. Then it's going to move on to the rinse cycle. Alright, and we're on that final spin. It's kicked in and spinning nice and fast, and this is the point where you would check to make sure it's stable, no weird noises or sounds or anything like that. As you can see in here, it works great. It actually gets a little bit faster than this too. So when those clothes are done, they come out nice and light, which helps with the dry time also. I'm going to let it finish up, and then I will show you the dryer.